So how parameter substitution will be done? Like see in the example, one macro is being defined with the name strg and it will have some parameter. It will receive some parameter. Okay, with ampersand sign. Okay, prefixing ampersand, and whatever these parameter will receive, that will be given to these sta, stb, stx, and then n. Now, when I'm calling this macro, when call statement will occur, we are passing some value. What data 1 will have, data 2 will have, and data 3 will have. That will be given to corresponding elements. Like data 1 will be given to A1. Data 2 will be given to A2. Data 3 will be given to A3. Okay, later on when second call will occur, what will be the data value? Value for data 4 that will be given to A1. Data 5 will be given to A2. Data 6 will be given to A3. Okay, so this type, if we will write our argument, we will write our parameter in this way, then these are called the positional arguments of parameter. Like based on position, we are giving value. Like first position will be given to first. Second position value will be given to second. Third position value will be given to third. If you will see the expanded code also, STA1 will get data 1, STB get data 2, STX will get data 3. Here also means this is called a position argument. Arguments are matched with the dummy argument according to the order in which they appear. Okay, so these arguments will be matched with the parameter in the order they appear. So this is the parameter substitution, but in the way of positional argument. Okay, there are one more way to substitute the parameter, that is keyword arguments. That means we can define like if I will write here, here is data 1. Okay, and if I will write here a data 1 equal to some value, data 1 equal to some value, that value will be given to this. Okay, here also I will put equal, a1 equal, a2 equal, a3 equal. Okay, and here when I'm calling this, I will write data 1 equal to argument 1, data 2 equal to argument 2, data 3 equal to argument 3. Okay, so in this way also I can define the parameters. I can define the parameter by defining the values also here. Like data 1 equal to which argument, data 2 equal to which argument, data 3 equal to which argument, and here also I will put a1 equal to, a2 equal to, or a3 equal to. This is called the keyword arguments or parameter. This allow a reference to dummy argument by names as well as by position. In this, I am defining, okay, data 1 will be given to A1 based on position, but I am also defining the argument also. I am not only defining their position, I am defining the argument also. Later on, like see here, one another way is like position argument, we have already discussed. Keywords argument, okay, like here a3 equal to data 1, a2 equal to data 2, a3 or a1 equal to data 3. Like if I will go to this statement, here I'm simply writing a1, a2 and a3. If I am working according to positional parameters, that by default data 1 will be given to A1, data 2 will be given to A2, data 3 will be given to A3. But another way is I will directly write here A3 equal to data 1, A2 equal to data 2, A1 equal to data 3. I can also mention here like which parameter will get which argument. Okay. So this is also a way to substitute the parameters. Now the next topic is one pass macro process. and this we will discuss in our next lecture. So